Hello, Daniel. Says, hey, Asa Rich, I heard about the part 1 and 2 training sessions with your guest, Mark Castile, for that webinar that you did last week, but unfortunately, it was outside my time zone and I missed them. How did those sessions go? And is there a way for me to view the recordings? There is a way for you to view the recordings, Daniel. And, that's what happened. Like we hosted it at 8 p.m. and we had a good crowd of people there. And, the same people that came to part 1 actually showed up some more people on part 2. And Mark was brilliant. Mark came out and he broke down everything about, copywriting with email marketing. And, he didn't go into list building because that's not what he was more about. He was really focusing on how to build the relationship with your list by writing great stories and getting those emails, written in a certain way that really builds that know, like, and trust relationship. And, just the way that he learned. And it was really awesome. Let me tell you, we even had a drawing and we picked out a winner. And the same winner that we picked out, she returned on for part 2. And Mark was able to critique her email. So she had one of her emails that she brought to the table. Mark was right there to critique it, and he made it even 10 times better. So it was amazing. Now, if you want to watch the recording, you need to be a member of the Inner Circle Mastermind Academy, which is a monthly membership subscription to our Inner Circle. We meet every Wednesday, also at 8 p.m. This is what we were doing. And we do training in there. We do training for internet marketing, and we teach stuff that is not taught within the Internet Marketing Pros free Facebook group. We go into more of a group coaching type of a style, and it's really fun and worthwhile. We also have a private membership site that you have access to for your subscription that you're paying for, and you can watch all the recordings all the way back to 4 years ago. So we have a lot of things going on in there. It's totally worth the investment. It's $97 a month, Daniel. And since you're in South Africa, what I can tell you is you can work around your time, and you can actually watch the replays anytime you want, because it'll be right there in your own private back office where you can put your username and password. All right. Thanks for asking that question.
You know what? I couldn't have said it better myself.
That was awesome. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, Mark was great. Mark does some great email marketing,
Yep.
Training. He really broke down, the copywriting. He broke down on how to write emails effectively
He did.
by storytelling. Right. And he actually really taught more about the conversions. How can you convert a lead in a sale if you can't build that relationship? So that was a really important part that was in the training, that if you guys missed it, you guys ask us, we'll give you access.